What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Carey if you are new. Today's video is sponsored by iDefine WIG. If you would like to see how I achieved this whole look, just please keep on watching. Alright, you guys, we're just going to jump right in. So this unit was sent to me from iDefine WIG. This is their full lace wig. It is loose deep wave in 20 inches. The density is 150%. Here I'm just showing you guys that there are no tracks. I did decide to cut off 3 of the 4 combs. So all 3 combs at the top I did cut off, as well as the elastic band inserts. It was just bugging me on my ears, so I went ahead and did that. And then here I had already cut off the ear tabs, so now I'm just making sure she fits. And then I did decide to use my Bold Hold Liquid Gold today. I'll be sure to leave this down below for you guys. I'm obsessed with this stuff. It's a temporary hold, but it's a really good hold in my opinion. And I've been rocking this unit for about 3 days, and I had like little to no lifting. The only lifting was just on the sides where my ear tabs are, but that's expected. And here I'm just showing you guys the type of scissors I'm going to go in with. I believe that these are cuticle cutting type of scissors. I got them from my local swap meet, so I'm not able to link them down below for you guys. But if you can find tiny scissors with that little curve, I would highly recommend it because it cut the lace very well. And then at this point, we're just going to go ahead and do these baby hairs, and then we'll go ahead and style her together. So just please stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so I did my makeup, so we're just going to style her together. I went ahead and brushed her out, and I laid my baby hairs, but I brushed them to make them soft looking. I also had to pluck the hairline. I'm still not 100% satisfied with it, but we're just gonna get this done. So I'm gonna go in with my spray bottle. There is like a little bit of conditioner in here, but it's mostly water. I just refilled it after my conditioner and water mix ran out. It still smells like some conditioner, so yeah. Now I'm going in with my Silk Therapy oil. Now we're going to go in with my John Frieda Frizz Ease. This is for dream curls. I usually use this on curly hair, like tighter curls, but for this wavy, I'm going to just try it out. Gotta shake it. Alright, you guys, so I have to charge my camera really quick, but as I do that, I'm gonna just let this air dry, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final result of how the hair looks. And yeah, BRB. Alright guys, so this is how she is looking dry. It's still a little bit wet in the back right here, but it's not like, you know, dripping. The waves look so pretty. I'm obsessed with this unit. It is so cute. After spraying my John Frieda Frizz Ease, I can feel that the waves are locked in. Like, they're not crunchy, but you can feel that there's like a little hold. But all I do is just do this, just crunch it up, and then it makes them soft. But just look at this. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, I love it so much. So as I mentioned in the beginning, this is from iDefine WIG. This is their loose deep wave full lace wig. It is in 20 inches. The density is 150%. I'm obsessed with this hair, guys. Without having tracks, it just feels so, I don't know, like my hair. I don't feel anything. It's just hair. So when I installed the unit, I did cut the comb right here and the 2 combs on the side. I cut those off, as well as the elastic band insert, because it was like bugging me, and all I kept was the bottom comb right here. So I did bleach the knots on this unit, and I also had to pluck the hairline a little bit. It just was a little too straight, like here at the top. It's still a little straight to me. I could have done a little bit more plucking, but I got lazy. My hand was hurting, so I was like, ugh. But I made it work the best I could, and then I decided to do some soft baby hairs for a natural look. But for the most part, I'm satisfied with how it came out. It looks very cute. It looks natural. This definitely is an everyday unit, but you would have to do just a little bit of work to make it look natural. I'll show you guys how the back is looking. There was no weird smell on this unit. There was some shedding when I was styling her, brushing her out, but nothing too crazy to where I was concerned. The hair is beautiful. It's flowy. It's just, this is definitely going to be one of my go-to wigs because it just looks so natural. It's so cute. And I just love the fact that there's no tracks. So when I run my fingers through it, or if I have a little itch, like I can get to the itch, like it's just so bomb. I love it. If you guys are interested in this exact unit, you guys already know I'll leave everything down below for you guys, and I'll also leave down below the products that I used on this unit today. And I literally only used those 2 products, and this is how the result came. Super beautiful, you guys. I love it. And they're just, it's touchably soft. Like I mentioned, it's not crunchy at all. It's still flowy. It's just so beautiful. Like, I'm obsessed. You guys will love this unit, I'm telling you. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.